Art markers are a creative essential for professional artists in illustration, comics, and design. But mastering them? Easier than you think. Work quickly in overlapping strokes. Don't stay on the same spot for too long. Layer for depth. Start light, let it dry, then go darker for a pro finish. Blend with darker shades for smooth transitions and deep shadows. Mix colors by layering. Wait a bit for the magic to happen. Shift hues for realism and captivating visuals. Mute colors with gray for a subtle, sophisticated effect. Brighten by layering with a lighter shade while wet, or subtly dilute after drying. Unleash your magical creations. Your gateway to pro-level art. Fan art like a pro art kits by Noir.